Hey guys, today I'm going to do 3 ways of doing loose glitter on nails and 3 very, very easy methods. This is how they turned out here and I'm just going to get straight into the tutorial. I'm going to use this gorgeous pink glitter here and I'm going to use Magpie's Funtime Frankie for the base colour of the polish. So this has a tacky layer, which is why I am using it, and that is very important for one of the methods and I'll explain that later. So the first method here is the encapsulation method, and I'm just going to paint on a layer of the pink polish Funtime Frankie and I'm going to leave that wet. So I'm not going to cure it at this point at all. I'm just going to leave it wet and I'm going to get my glitter and I'm going to drop the glitter all over the wet polish. So I have this little triangle tray here and that is for catching any loose glitter, and it makes it easy to pop the glitter back into your container. So I just have a little cuticle pusher here and I'm picking up the loose glitter and I'm dropping it all over the polish. Now this is a wet layer of polish, remember that, and then it's just going to stick here and I'm just making sure I'm covering every space on the nail as well, and then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds in the lamp. Then when it comes out, it's nice and stuck and cured into that layer of gel polish. Wipe away the excess with a fan brush and top coat. I'm going to actually top coat this twice so that it fully encapsulates everything, and the result at the end is just so gorgeous. It's just stuck in there. This is the perfect time of the year as well for this, because it's glitter season, and even though I love glitter all year round, but this is the perfect time of the year to be messing around with loose glitter. So I decided to do this video, and I do think it's very, very beginner friendly. You can do this on your own nails, press on nails, any type of manicure. So yeah, this is stunning. This is the encapsulation method here in all its glory, and yeah, I love this effect. Now on to the second method. So this is me just doing the same again. I'm going to paint on a layer of Funtime Frankie, and for the video purposes I'm just going to do 1 layer, but you can do 2 if you like. It depends on what you need. But for this video I'm just going to do 1, and then this is cured for 60 seconds and I'm going to grab my loose glitter again and a brush just like this. So this is kind of an angled brush, but you just any brush that's like compacted with loads of bristles is best for this method. And then I'm going to pick up the glitter with this brush and burnish it into the tacky layer of gel polish. So the tacky layer really helps in this scenario because you need it for the glitter to stick on. If you don't have a tacky layer, the glitter won't actually stick, it'll just go nowhere. So here I'm just like gently but with a little bit of pressure, like rubbing it into the tacky layer here, burnishing it all around the nail in circular motions, making sure that it's definitely sticking in there, and you can see it's not going anywhere. So this is a gorgeous method. It's probably one of my favorites, either this or the encapsulation, I think, but the two of them end up looking really different. So yeah, they are definitely different methods, but this one is one that I probably would use most when I'm working with clients. And yeah, I'm just going to wipe off the excess then on a lint-free wipe. I think it's so good to have loose glitter in your collection, especially when you're starting off as a nail tech, because you can really build up your colours and your collection just with loose glitter. If you don't have a lot of gel polish colours available, you can just a couple of loose glitters swatched over your colours like this will just give you a whole new range of options for your clients. So it's very beginner friendly, and I definitely had loads of loose glitters when I was starting off. So this is the top coat then. I just top coat over that glitter, and this is the stunning result. So this is the burnishing or the burnished method of glitter, and yeah, I absolutely love this one. So now we're on to the last method, which is the sugaring method, and I do the same thing again, paint on a layer of the gel polish and cure. And then I'm going to go in straight away with the top coat. So this is the difference here. Going in with a generous layer of no wipe top coat and leave it wet. Do not cure this layer, and then drop the glitter on top of the top coat. So like the encapsulation method, you're just making sure that you're covering every space that's on that nail. And yeah, just making sure like dropping the glitter absolutely everywhere. And then I'm going to go in and cure this for a full cure. So maybe I would say 2 minutes for that. This is how it looks, and 2-minute cure just to be sure that everything underneath is cured, everything under that glitter is cured. And then when it comes out, it looks like this. So you're going to wipe away the excess, any glitter that's left over that hasn't been cured in. You're just going to wipe it off nice and briskly with your fan brush or your dusting brush, and this is the finished result of that nail. This is a stunning effect as well. It just feels a bit rough, so if you don't like a rough texture, this one mightn't be for you, because you can feel the roughness of the glitter. And I'm also going in with a 180-240 buffer and just gently filing the edges and filing the underneath here. You can see I'm just getting rid of any loose glitter that would have been just kind of stuck on the edges there, and also gently filing the tips of some of those nails. And this is the 3 methods right here. Let me know if you love glitter and you found benefit from this video, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.